Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. My name is Paul and welcome to the basement. We'll get started in a few seconds. If you guys are new here, the preview of the exercise is going to be on my right or to the left of your screen. If there's a clock, it's going to be projected on this wall. Today we have a beginner leg workout with no equipment. So let's get started in 5 seconds. We started off with 15 air squats. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1. Go as deep as you can, doesn't really matter. 2, 3, 4. We're going straight through these exercises one by one. We have 5 different exercises. We're going to go through them 3 times. 8, 9, 10. 5 more. Then we're going to get down on the ground. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And let's get down on the ground for 10 glute bridges. So hips up as high as you can go. And then we're just gonna walk it out. Ready? 1, hold it right here. 2, 3, 4, 5, just doing 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, and 10. Getting back up, reverse lunges, 10 repetitions, so 5 per leg. Give yourself a little bit of room and just step backwards. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2, concentrate on doing the work with the leg that's in front. 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we're gonna go for 20 swings. Like I said, I'm not using any weight. If you want to use a dumbbell or a kettlebell or anything for this, feel free. Remember, it's a swing, so you hinge and then drop forward. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go for 20. 1, 2. Hip movement. 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep moving. 7, 8, 9, 10. Halfway there. We got this. 1. Hinge. 2. Hinge and 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now a curtsy lunge. We're just going for 8. So you're going to step backwards into your side with a little bit of a twist. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Lunge down and bring it back up. 1, down, and 2, down, 3. Looking good. 4, keep it up. Halfway there. Balance. 5, 6, 7. 1 more. And 8. And now we're taking a 1-minute break. We're just gonna repeat this 2 more times. Nice and easy. If you wanna scale this up, obviously you can use a weight, you can use a kettlebell or a couple of dumbbells. This exercise, this workout will be much more difficult. For me, this is perfect today. Should be perfect for you. If you're just starting out, it's good mobility and a good way to start building a little bit of leg strength. Slowly but surely. Like I said, you can always scale these up just by adding a couple of pounds. I have kettlebells here and a couple of dumbbells. Nice and easy. Got 30 more seconds left of rest and we're gonna go round number 2 and then just 1 more round after this and we'll be done. Once again, welcome to Fit After 50, guys. Workouts have been coming out for 5 years right now, over 5 years. We have not missed an Monday or Thursday upload ever, so consistency pays off. We have 10 more seconds. We're starting off with air squats once again. Go as deep as you can. No shame in halfway, 3/4 of the way. I go about halfway down. That's what my knees allow me to do. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1. This is as deep as I can go. I'm 54. You know, sometimes you can go a little bit more. Sometimes you can go a little bit less. Today, this is what allows me to do. My body's allowing me to do. And I'm sure as we warm up, in the second set, I can already feel myself going a little bit deeper. That's 8, 9, 10. We got 5 more. 1, nice and slow, control. 2, 3, 4, last 1, and 5. We're getting down the ground for those bridges. We're going for 10 of those. Hips as high as you can go. I hurt my hamstring jogging a little bit yesterday, so this is as high as I can go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Activate those glutes. 7, 8, 9, and 10. And let's get back out up. We're going for the reverse lunge. We're going for 10 reverse lunges. Ready? Grab your balance. No weights. Step back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 more. 1, 2, 3. 1 more. And 4. And now we're going for a 20 swing. So pretend you're grabbing something. I just hold my hands together. And remember, hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep it up. 8, 9. Halfway there. 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 more. 1, 2, and last one. And that's 3. All right, curtsy lunges. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Step back and lunge backwards. 1, back, 2. Nice and easy. Watch my pace. There's no rush here. 3. Just concentrate on that front leg, lifting you up and letting you down. Boom. Halfway there. 1, 2, 3. 1 more. And 1. And we take another minute break. 2 sets down, 1 set to go. If you guys feel, like I said, you want to be more challenged, do this again. Add a little bit of weight. If not, you're like me, just do it without any weights today. This is a beginner workout. Great way to get started. Like I said, work on that mobility. Do these exercises nice and slow, just to concentrate on the muscles that you're using, and doing them slow will make it more difficult, even though we're not using any weights. We got 30 seconds left. We're going to get going one more time for the last and final time. Once again, thanks for joining me today for After 50. Again, I'm Paul. Workouts come out every Monday and Thursday. So now that we got out of the way, we got 20 seconds left, guys. You guys ready to go? Give yourselves a hand. We're almost done. 15 air squats. Should be well warmed up by now. So I want to see a little bit deeper movement on all of these exercises. Ready to go in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, and back up. No rush. I'm still not rushing through any of this. 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, last 1, and 5. Let's get down on the ground for the last time for our glute bridges. Boom, as high as we can go. Ready? Going for 10 steps. 1, 2, 1, and 4. Keep it up. 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last 1, and 10. Relax and pop back up. Nice and slow, nice and easy. Reverse lunges. 10 repetitions. Ready? Pretending I got a weight in my hand. Step back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep it up. 8, 9, and 10. All right, 20 swings. Ready? Remember, hinge at the hips and up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep it up. 5, almost done. Throw those arms up in the air from your hips. Halfway. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, shake it out for 1 second and we go into our curtsy lunges. So backwards lunge. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Step back, lunge. 1, step back, 2, and diagonally a little bit. 3. I know I'm not looking at the camera when I'm looking at this, I'm looking at the floor in front of me so I don't fall over. It's difficult, I think, to look at the camera and still do this movement for me. I'm gonna try it right now. Let's do 2 more. Ready? 1 and 2. And we are done, guys. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul. This is The Basement. This is where we film all our workouts for 5 years right now. This is our Thursday workout, a little bit easier. Monday workouts are a little more difficult. Once again, thanks for joining me today at Fit After 50. I'll see you guys during the next workout.